We started with a concept, and at the time it felt kind of crazy. Let's do this for 100 accounts.
How long it took you to build something like this?
It was a 2-day turnaround. Our marketing data wasn't very useful to our sales team. We were collecting and reporting on signals, and then from those signals, we were inferring intent from what we observed. But the big thing that we were missing was the context of those signals. And a lot of that context sits with sales, right? It lives within sales emails and phone calls and notes and a whole bunch of other unstructured data that I think traditionally has been really difficult to access and hard to interpret. So Upside, right, helped us stitch a lot of these data points together. And then when I saw that, it created this type of epiphany for me where I finally understood what was possible. So we saw an opportunity to kind of combine marketing and sales and intent data all together to get a full picture of these accounts and a really good idea of what a story might be. Yeah, we started with a concept, and at the time it felt kind of crazy. The idea was we wanted to re-engage with a group of companies that had seen an earlier demo of our platform, but then had decided at the time not to buy it. So we came up with a grand idea, which was, what if we created detailed company-specific narratives for our sales reps? And we just came up with a big list of things we wanted to put in there. So we said, what if we included a summary of all previous opportunity notes and calls, including transcript summaries, a list of all of the important contacts, but then also what's important to each of them. And then what if we also included a summary of all of the product enhancements we'd made that were specific to their interests since they last saw a demo? And then what if we also tied all of these to their business concerns of each of the companies and as well as each of the contacts at these companies? And then what if we created email sequences for each company and contact, taking into account their role and interests? And then how about if we just packaged all of this into like a polished kit that each rep can download? And oh yeah, let's do this for 100 accounts.
Okay, let's see it.
So for each account, there's a nice little kit that provides kind of an overall assessment of them. And then lots of sections here. Well, more important than just reporting on what they're doing is kind of what are the insights? How does this relate back to their interests and their concerns and their problems? And how does that relate to ways that we can help solve that? Right? Why originally they decided not to purchase, and then what are some of the things that have changed since then that we could bring up with them? What was kind of cool, I didn't add this explicitly to the app, but in some cases it would, based on some of our positioning documents that we included in the information, it would build almost like mini battle cards where it could show very succinctly kind of what our differences or advantages are over certain other competitive softwares. I love this section where we can talk about, well, what were some of the new product enhancements since we lost them before, right? And how does that relate to their concerns? The app would pull out specific stats that we can share, specific testimonials that we can share, and then even assemble some talking points along with some articles, some kind of basic emails that can be sent out, kind of concepts that the sales team can use. And then because we always want to make sure that we're not making anything up, had it cite sources, so it came up with a very nice organized set of sources where we could check all of this.
I love it. Are people using it?
We've started using it, so this is very recent, pretty off the press, and we're already starting to iterate from this and getting a lot of really good feedback that is going to help us improve these and make these even more useful for the team.
Cool. Awesome.
This is awesome. Matt, if I can ask from your side, I mean, this looks like a lot of work to pull all this data together. Curious how long it took you to build something like this from when you had the idea to when it was delivered.
Yes, we started with the idea on a Wednesday. It took a day to get a draft live and then another day with some feedback to get pretty much the version that you saw live. So it was a 2-day turnaround.
That's awesome.